Alright, what's up guys? So this is my 1991 Yamaha FZR 600R. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of the exhaust, let you guys hear it. This is the best sounding eBay exhaust you're going to find. It was $50 and I just stuck it on my my stock pipe. If you want to see more videos you can. Go ahead and go on my channel and let's get it going.